Come in and take a seat, sir. No, that's mine. Hence the towel on the bottom in case you spill. But you're gonna have to get yourself in the frame. This isn't lean back like Jay-Z. You're gonna have to sit up with good posture. Okay, listen, this isn't a music video. I love you. You're gonna have to. This is not how this is gonna work. Baby Jesus.
Where's the white claw?
Where's the white claw? Oh, excuse me. I'll get it for you. What's up, my Shuggies? Ashley here, and in today's video, I have a special guest. My fiance is going to attempt to do my makeup. He is a beginner with an experience level on a scale from 1 to 10 being a
0.
A 0, probably in the negatives.
I don't even know if I'm looking at the camera.
So if you are interested in seeing this video, then just keep watching. Okay, so I'll help you as much as you want me to help you, or as little.
Okay.
These are your brushes, foundation, concealer. You're just gonna explain to them as you're doing it to me what it is that you're doing. And
explain to them?
Yeah, I mean, it's a makeup tutorial. What would you like to start with? By the way, we're gonna look here.
Okay.
And not here.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm trying my best. Let's do the liquid.
Okay. Now here are your choices. Fenty Beauty.
I like Fenty Beauty because of the name.
Do you know who owns Fenty Beauty?
Rihanna.
See?
Wild guys.
Oh yeah, I'm sure real wild. Okay. So we're going with the Fenty Beauty. Yeah. So let's start with...
What? One?
Okay, but so you want to...
So I have to put it on my hands first?
You
or
don't...
your hands?
No, I mean maybe your finger, and then just because sometimes it can get messy and squirt and then it stains and then we're just in a really bad situation.
Oh baby.
Oh baby.
I've seen you do it, so let's start off right here.
Okay. Okay. It's a lot, babe. So this is not like in football when they put the big black marks underneath and they just kind of leave it. You do have to blend it out.
Okay. So how am I going to blend it out? With my hands or with the brush?
Well,
so I choose my brush?
Sure. Okay. By the way, this is a Pro Filter Soft Matte Longwear Foundation in the color 290.
Gotta put a J on it.
Oh, a J.
Yeah.
Okay.
Gotta put a J on it.
Okay. Put a J on it. Now we're going to blend out the foundation with a brush.
Let's go with this one.
Okay. Purple. What's that remind you of? Barney, but also...
Oh, Purple Rain.
Purple Rain. So you really can't, I mean, make a mess. It's just, you're just gonna blend it into the skin.
They can put a lot.
Yeah. So aren't you glad I stopped you early? Where would we be at pump 6 right now is what I want to know.
That's how a lot of these women be walking in the street.
With
like, damn, girl.
What? They have too much on?
Too much.
They didn't blend it.
They didn't blend it in appropriately.
How do you know they didn't blend it?
I don't know. It just didn't look right. It doesn't look like the way you do it.
Oh, that's sweet, babe.
Can you look towards me?
Oh, excuse me.
I'm trying to blend a girl.
He's trying to blind people. What?
I got one of my hairs on your cheek.
Of course you did. And not a brush hair, people. This is his beard hair.
I'm gonna quit my job, girl.
Maybe Rihanna will hire you.
Make sure she sees this video.
Rihanna, hit him up. Between White Claw and Rihanna, I think you've got a new career.
I know, right?
Really excited for you.
Alright, so next up is probably the concealer. This is Born This Way.
You gotta show him in the camera. And then to help it focus, because it's really far away, you're gonna wanna get it close to the camera. And then usually if you hold your hand behind it.
There.
Now, where does the concealer go?
It's supposed to go in your cheeks. I see you do it all the time.
You see it when you put it on my cheeks.
I think so.
You wanna replay that one in your brain again? It covers darker spots.
Okay.
So where would the darker spots be that concealer should probably cover?
Your cheeks.
Your cheeks are the darkest spot on your face?
I think so.
So when you haven't slept all night and you go
Oh, under your eyelids. Under your bags.
under my, there you go.
Under your bags.
Black bags, yeah. I commonly say that.
So this is gonna go underneath your eyelids. So just a small amount.
Yeah. There you go.
Perfect. Now we're gonna do the other one.
Mm-hmm.
Gonna look towards me.
Mm-hmm. Don't want you poking out my eye. Oh, babe!
What?
Are you trying to rip my eye off? Easy does it, baby.
I'm sorry.
It's okay. I think it cut me a little.
It's okay. I'll take care of it.
Oh, that's right, you're dark. I think it looks great, yeah. Let's just blend away. Show the people. Morphe Y10. Okay.
Close your eyes, girl. I
Yes.
wanna get in your eyes.
Yes. What is the next step?
Powder.
Very good. High five, Fulci.
Nailed it.
Nailed it. Okay, so we're going, is this the one you're going with? Because there are multiples.
I'm gonna go with this since this was the first one out there.
Okay. And that's the Cover FX Perfect Setting Powder.
And this is what's supposed to go on your cheeks.
You tell me, where does it go?
I think so. Still slot. Give me that look. Damn good.
There go the eyebrows. Thank God they're microbladed.
Can't imagine doing this on a daily basis.
It's a lot of work, huh?
No, when some people just don't wear makeup.
Yeah. We're running in the hospital barefaced. Are we just gonna leave these poor raggedy eyebrows?
What am I supposed to put on there? Mascara?
Where does mascara go?
I have no idea. Your eyelids?
That would be here. So where do you think it would go? Okay, let's look at some.
Your eyelash.
Yeah, very good.
It's close.
That was very close, yeah.
No, let's do the eyebrows.
Oh, okay, the eyebrows.
Alright, so
Okay,
what can
so
I use for your eyebrows?
there are multiple choices. So this is just a little, it's like mascara for your eyebrows, and it's just a little hint of color. Or this is called a pomade. This is a little bit heavier. You'd use a brush, and you'd kind of, you know, yeah, fill it in. Exactly. Or you can use a pencil. Like,
this one.
you're going to go with that one? Okay. So he's going to go for the more natural looking.
This is a...
Oh.
Oh.
Wow. Let me just quit my channel now and hand it over to you, buddy.
It's only a matter of time.
Oh, is that what you're trying to do? Just trying to scheme me for my channel, huh? Wow. Fulci.
Nailed it.
Okay, now the eyelids. Okay. So this is a, I'm going to give you some choices. This is the Natasha Denona Sunset Palette.
Okay.
Are you getting vibes from this?
Yes, I am.
You are?
Alright, so which brush am I supposed to use for this?
Oh, we're not even, okay, because there are other options. Oh, excuse me. Is that the White Claw?
It's the White Claw.
White Claw. Okay, there are also Tarte Toasted Palette.
Okay.
Are you?
I like this one better.
Oh, excuse me. Okay, there's one more. Mustard.
I like this one. I'm not gonna change my mind.
Yes, sir.
So I'm gonna go with the atmosphere.
Okay, very good. You did a good job, yeah.
Okay.
That's a very nice color, too.
Yeah, it's gonna look good on you, girl.
Tell him, babe.
Do this or use
Yeah.
my hands?
No, yeah.
Yeah, just like that?
Yeah, that's a great brush, too.
Whoa.
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 Whoa, holy pigment. Holy pigment. Give it a good blow.
Okay. Ready?
I'm ready.
Looks good.
You like it?
I love it. Don't touch me.
Can I have a sip of my White Claw?
Now let me do your makeup.
Excuse me, sassafras.
Oh, baby. I'm getting a hang of this side.
Watch out!
What you think?
Wow.
Looks good.
Just a little shook right now.
Shook for what?
Have you ever done this before?
No.
You sure?
Positive.
Okay, we're going in with Marc Jacobs Omega. So, for this, you can use any brush you want.
Go with this.
Oh, that's a great choice. Tell the people what that is.
It's a
What brand?
Sephora brush.
Hey! Okay. And which brush is it, babe?
It's a Pro Small Blush. Blush Definition 74.
Very good. Okay.
I can't tell the difference. I think I might need more.
Oh, you're really getting in there, Volgie. Wow. Now, would you like a blush?
Where would the blush go?
The blush would just go right here and you kind of blend it back just to give a little pop of colors.
It's this one.
Okay, so he really likes this Hourglass Ambient palette. All right, so tell them what brush you're going in with.
I'm going with the Giuseppe.
No, baby, that's a brand of high-end shoes. This is Jessup.
Okay. Jessup. Small tapered blending.
So it's the same one he used on my eyes, except he's going to use this one for blush on my cheeks.
I gotta get this camera thing on.
What are you thinking?
Needs to be blended in a lot more.
I think the problem is because you just used this on my eye, that color's still on here.
So let's go with this one.
Okay, that's a great choice. And that is the Morphe R14. It's also good that you're going back and blending that all out.
So let me do your makeup for the wedding.
How about when I pick up my wedding dress?
Sounds good. I think all you need is just a lipstick. And we're done.
And we're done. Lipsticks come in different forms.
Okay.
And by that, I mean they come in the regular lipsticks like you probably saw your mom have when you were little, like this. Or now we're like having these liquid lipsticks that are liquid, but then they dry and they, like when I kiss you and they don't come off. It's called a liquid lipstick. And you're welcome to look through all of these and tell me which one is speaking to you, which one is your vibe.
Which one are the liquids?
They're all liquid.
Stick with hers then.
Just throwing everyone else to the wayside. And what color is that?
Unbuttoned.
That's the color. Fenty Beauty liquid lipstick in Unbuttoned.
It's not focusing.
Just give it a minute, baby. Because your finger's in the way. Yep. So maybe hold it
There you
by
go.
the silver tip. Yeah. There you go.
You gotta show them the bottom.
I love you.
They won't be able to see it. It's okay.
Actually, let's try it. Let's put it really close and see if they can see it. Hey.
Hey, it worked. Okay. You gotta put towards me. Oh, baby.
Oh, we're going for a second coat? The missing what?
The missing spots.
Okay. Now, what about mascara?
What the hell?
Okay.
I think it looks perfect.
The natural look.
I think I did a good job.
I think you did a great job. All right, you guys, that completes this makeup tutorial done by yours truly, my fiance. I hope you guys enjoyed. I will leave everything he used in the description box down below. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel and find me on my social media. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Bye. Oh, baby.
Oh, baby.
This needs to go on Instagram. I need credit.
Okay. Let's go ahead and get out the Snapchat filter. Put your white claw in it or whatever it is you want to do. I'll give you full credit. Oh my god. Just.
Is it recording?
Yes, it's recording. I'm not used to having an audience when I do this. A physical audience. Okay. Let me adjust myself.
Try to be serious.
A shameless plug. You look like a lost. You look like a lost puppy. You don't know where to look. This one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. Oh, okay.
It's okay. I got that white claw.